This is calculator question number 4. College Board is asking us to generalize from the proportion in a sample of 90 students and estimate the proportion in the entire class of 225 students. And what we'd like to do is say n over 225, where n is the number in the entire class for October, equals x over 90, where x is the number in our sample. And they've told us that x over 90 is 0.256, which is 25.6%. I could either use my calculator to figure out what x is, and it turns out x is 23, so that gives us n over 225 equals 23 over 90, and then solve for x by multiplying by 225 on both sides, because 225 over 225 is 1, and that leaves me n equals 23 over 90 times 225, which is 57.5, which is closest to 60. Or I could go directly from n over 225 equals 0.256 without figuring out what my x is, the number for October in the sample, and multiply both sides by 225. So n equals 0.256 times 225 is again 57.6. The difference is due to the rounding between 23.04 here and exactly 23 if we assume x is a whole number. But either way, the closest answer is 60, and they said about how many? College Board often asks you to go from a proportion in a sample to the proportion in a larger group. So make sure that this makes sense, and either set it up as a proportion or set up the fraction equal the percent that they've given you. Come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.